many of you guys are homeschooling right now? I kind of miss my locker from school, so today I'm going to teach you how to make your own homeschool locker. We are actually going to build our own locker. I got these cube organizers off of Amazon. You can make many shapes out of them. So a few days ago I built these and there's 6 of them. And it comes with extra parts. So if you're clumsy and break them like me, then there are extra parts that you can use. So first I'm going to show you the stair effect. So this is one of the options that you can do. This is the staircase one that I was talking about. This is a really good option because you can put stuff on top and on the inside. I'm going to put this box up on here because I want it to look more like a locker. Now we get to decorate! I got this fun scrapbook paper notebook thingy-mabobber, and it has some really cute paper. So these things are a little see-through, you know, like you can see my hand. So I was thinking, on the door, we could get the scrapbook paper and like face it so the design shows on the outside. You get what I mean? Take a look at all these cool designs. Strawberries, sprinkles, floral ones, little cars, that one's really cute. Hot air balloons. If you are excited for this video, put yay in the comments down below. Motivational things. Got some hexagons, pink rainbows if you're feeling happy. Oh, we got some of the glasses ones. This one is probably one of my favorites. And we got the pretzels. Tell me what designs are your favorite in the comments down below. We're going to choose 6 different wallpapers to go on each door. I'm definitely going to use this one for the locker because it's beautiful. It totally goes with like the homeschool vibe that we're going for. Like motivational, you know? Don't quit. Keep on going. You got this, babe. Let's see what it's going to look like under the plastic. Oh, yep, that's gonna work. I'm gonna choose this one. Ready? Super satisfied. I'm going with the hexagons. I want this in my bathroom. Wouldn't this be a cute floor though? All right, last one. I think I'm gonna go for this one. First thing we gotta do is trim the paper to fit the thingamabob. All right, so next we're going to cut out the little hole thingy for your finger to open the door. And then we're gonna cut it out. All right, so I'm just going to line this up with the edges and then lift it up and then glue and then set it down. Carefully tap it because I don't. Ow! All right, and after trimming the corners, it should look like this. Ta-da! All right, let's go put it on the locker. Look guys, I built a something that actually works. I'm so proud of myself. Now I'm just going to decorate it a little bit more with some things on the top and things on the inside. Motivation. See, this guy gets it. And on the inside, you can put all the essentials for school. How did that get in there? Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment down below on which wallpaper you would choose, and subscribe and hit that little notification bell so you know when we upload new videos. I also want to hear what you would put in your DIY homeschool lockers. Thank you guys so much for watching. Halloween is coming up, so keep a lookout for a Halloween costume video. Woo! Also, if you haven't seen my new locker decor, go check it out. Don't forget, keep your sunny side up. Bye!